So we're on the 22nd floor. So this condo is just near the Ibis Hotel. It's called Alta Mar Marbella. So this place is Marbella Boulevard. So there's the walled city. You can see that cathedral, that's the walled city. This is another view here. We actually chose the beach view because you know it's more relaxing rather than seeing this. That's just our preferences though. But it's also a nice view. So this is a soccer field all the time or every day. We always see a soccer team playing there. So that's the lake. I'm not sure if it's the Lake Cabrero or another lake. But yeah, that's the lake. So this is the kitchen area. Everything is complete, just like the same in San Jose or our condo in Costa Rica. Everything is complete here as well. Microwave, the stove, refrigerator, everything. And also they have this laundry area where you can do your laundries. This is actually a 2-bed room or a 2-bed condo. So this is the first bedroom, I would believe. So here is the city view for this first bedroom. And this is the first restroom. There. Shower area. And there's the master bedroom. So there's the view from this bedroom. You can also go out here if you want. And then yeah, there are some cabinets. I don't usually use it because you know, I mean, I'm not gonna be here for so long. So I just put my clothes on my luggage just here. Hold on. Wait. So this is the dining area. So this is the living room, and we actually made it as our working space. So this is my table here. That's his area. So there's a sofa. This is the balcony. So they have sunbed here where you can do your tanning. This is the shower door, or not the door, the shower window. You can also open this and get out from there. So there's my view. Again, this is Marbella Boulevard in Cartagena, Colombia. It's so nice. They also have hammocks, and then those chairs and tables. That's pretty. Also, that's our pool area. They also have gym, sauna, jacuzzi. I think everything you need, they all have it here. And it's really a nice place. So this is a Caribbean coast. So it's this part of Colombia is part of the Caribbean Ocean. So it's so nice to be here. Alright, so we're going to do a tour. So after our room tour, we're going to the gym, swimming pool, and sauna. So this is the gym area, and I believe they're enough for you to work out, although my boyfriend says that there are some equipments that they are missing, but I think it's good. So that's the gym, and then we're going to the pool. I'm not sure if this is open. Oh, it's open. Okay. This is the sauna area. He loves to do sauna all the time. Like after his workout, he's gonna here. So there are some instructions on how to use it. It's pretty clear in there. And then again, the view is really nice. So they have playground for kids. If you have a kid and you wanted to visit here, this is perfect for the family as well. And here's the pool area. Oh my gosh, look at that view. It's so nice, right? I think it's also an infinity pool. And this is the jacuzzi area.